Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and this is the Rustic Wednesday collab. Our host is Shabby Meets Bling and Repurpose Your Way. Please check out their channel in my description box and the playlist in the description box as well of all the amazing creators. We're going to start by pulling apart our clothespins. Now we're going to just glue each one Okay, we're going to glue each one of them basically back to back. Like this. It'll look like that. We're going to glue each one of these just like that. Okay, now we're going to glue these together. You could use wood glue too. I'm just trying to do what's easiest. Try not to glue it to your table. We got a crafting roll. And we're going to just cut small slices of it. Trying to make it even. Let's just take a little glue, add one next to the other. Next to the other. One, I'm going to do both sides, and it's going to be There's our flower. Now we're going to do the center. We're going to just make a pom-pom. And I'm going to just tie a knot here. And it slipped out. Now I'm going to just trim it. I just want to make it look like the center of the flower. And since this is a Christmas ornament, let's see what Christmassy ribbon I have. You could tie a knot in this if you wanted to. I like to just hot glue the ends together. And there is our first ornament. Okay, here is our snowflake ornament. And this is our little flower ornament. If you wanted to, this one, if you wasn't allergic to cinnamon like I am, I'd put a little Mod Podge on this and sprinkle it with cinnamon, so it would make your tree smell really good.